What's up, fuckers? Alright, so I've been able to keep this under wraps for a long time, but I've got a new addition to the Sinister fleet. No one knew this was coming except for a handful of people, and now it's here. It took 6 months, but here it is. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what we're working with. Alright, here we go. It's a 1998 Nissan Skyline GTT. Just got it a couple of days ago. Haven't really done too much to it. Got it up on the lift. We're about to do the Tomei Titanium exhaust. There's 2 parts there. There's one more still in the box yet. But it's got this exhaust. I don't know what brand it is, but it's super quiet. And you know we can't have that. So the only thing I've done so far on the back is I've already changed out these tail lights to the LEDs. The stock ones were not illuminating all the way. There were some issues internally with them. So we're gonna go ahead and swap them out to the LEDs. I think they look a lot better than the stock ones anyways. And really clean looking. But anyway, we got a whole bunch of things to do on this car. Got a bunch of new interior parts. It's pretty much all stock for the most part. So she's very, very clean. Very clean car. No rust. Well, we'll get after it. All right, so before we get started swapping the exhaust, let's hear what the factory exhaust, or the exhaust that's existing, has to offer. Go ahead, Mikey. Kind of quiet. Let's hear some revs. Hit it. Yeah, pretty lame. So let's see what this Tomei exhaust has to offer. All right, so Tomei exhaust is installed. Looking sexy. All right, go ahead and fire it up, bud. Night and day. All right, let's get some revs. Hit it, Mikey. Hell yeah, much better. All right, so now that we have the exhaust all finished, we've got one more thing for this video and then we're gonna wrap it up. So I wanted to swap these wheels out. They're okay. They're missing the center caps and they kind of look like crap. So we're gonna put these Nismo wheels on, complete set. I just think it's gonna really wake up the look of this car. So we'll get started on that. We'll show you the end result. All right, so we got the wheels swapped out. And it's basically in 4-wheel drive mode right now. We gotta adjust the coilovers. I adjusted them way up really high so we can make sure these wheels fit good, and then we'll adjust them down from there. But I think the back is pretty close to where we want it. Man, these things look really good. Went with the Nismo lug nuts as well. Hell yeah. Really like the way they look. Really complements the car nicely. It's a little hard to tell with it being on the lip, but we'll get it out here in the sun here in a little bit. But you can kind of get the idea. Hell yeah. I'm gonna get these coilovers adjusted, then we'll take another look at it. All right, tail lights are done. Tomei Titanium exhaust is done. Nismo rims are on. Coilovers are adjusted. I think she looks really, really good like this. We have a ton more work to do on this car. Have a whole bunch of interior parts. The whole interior pretty much is going to be new. Well, that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. But stay tuned. We're gonna have plenty more work for the Skyline coming really, really soon. So don't miss out. Subscribe, like the video, hit the notification bell so you can keep up with us on this build. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.